Hello and welcome. This is Stephen Barker of Digital Frontiers Media, and I'm going to introduce you to a method, an open source method of basically deploying ads to your iPhone app using the Drupal Advertisement module. I'm not going to go into the details of the Objective-C coding required, but I just wanted to show you what's possible in this particular case study and how we did it. First thing is, of course, setting up your Drupal environment and enabling the advertisement module. I've already done all that, did the configuration. I just wanted to show you one ad here. In fact, there's only one ad in this ad group that I've put together, and basically that's the strategy, is go ahead and create an ad group that is specifically for your mobile app. In this case, I've got an ad group for the iJoy application that we've got going, and I used the Apple's iAds specs, which is a 320 by 50 image ad, which I have here. And the advertisement module allows you to enter in where someone should be redirected to when they click on that ad. Advertisement module also tracks number of statistics, and that's all good information. And the point of this exercise is that you can all that stuff as far as the statistics are still carried out by the advertisement module, even though you're running or you're doing the ad click-throughs on the iPhone app. So how that works is after you've entered in an ad, it's very easy to just go ahead and build a view that pulls one of the ads or multiple ads if you like. In this case, we just pulled a single ad node at random, and we're exporting that as an XML file, and we're really only interested in two fields. So if we set up the view so that it has a path for the XML output / mobile ads in this case, the two things that we need in our XML output is the redirect field for the advertisement, meaning how is the advertisement module actually, when you click it, it actually goes to this location and then redirects you, and during that, right before the redirect, it's actually tracking that you clicked on that ad, and it is storing that information and doing, working the statistics off of that. The other field would be the file path to the image itself, the banner ad itself. And from there you can build a button. So in the iPhone app itself, all we have to do at that point is really just when we call up the application, is then have the application call the view's path and then parse the XML that it gets from that path and build the button from that. And in this case, you will possibly actually see the redirect that occurs in this case. So if you click on it, it's going to try to launch, and you might see, just for a second right there before it switched to digitalfrontiersmedia.com, it actually did have the joyfmprojects.net address, and that was the process of being redirected by the Drupal advertisement module. So as a result, that click was actually recorded by the module and is storing those statistics for you. Currently, it is not tracking impressions, but that is coming. I do know of a way that we can get that to occur. So that'll be coming. The great thing about this is that it's a great way to, like I said, create ad revenue of your own, where you're not necessarily having to share the ad revenue with Apple or some other system, some other ad network. It's a proprietary system. You have full control over what the ads are, and it allows you to, if you wanted to push other things other than ads. I mean, you could push like a seasonal message or an announcement or something to those people. In this case, we just have one ad that's picked at random per listening session. This is a streaming radio ad. And it does, this new version has a few updates. One is that it pulls the metadata out of the Shoutcast or Icecast stream to show you currently playing song title and artist if the server is working. Last time I checked, it was not, and it's just pulling up the default title for that. But yeah, this does change as the songs change if the server is running, and that's a pretty nice feature to have for your streaming radio app. Now, one of the things with this particular client is they wanted to push us to use the the social media stuff. So we've got these, the links that go to the social media sites, as I mentioned before, and we just launched directly into the built-in Safari browser. But what I wanted to show, as far as like an interesting aspect of streamlining all this stuff, is that if we go to their Facebook app, so we're going to their Facebook app, and this is the default page for the Facebook app. Notice we've got the same theming and everything, but this might look familiar right here. This ad is being thrown in here by the advertisement module, and what's going on is this is a Facebook or Drupal for Facebook app. So this is an instance of us using Drupal to run a Facebook app, and it's set here as their default tab, and this is all done via the Drupal for Facebook module that is also integrating the advertisement module, which is allowing them to, in one place, manage their Facebook social media information as well as their Facebook ads, and just by adding another ad group to allow it to control their mobile application ads at the same time through the same system. So I hope this gives you a better idea of what you can do fairly quickly to create your own proprietary ad network of sorts, or just pushing out announcements, as I said. And I hope that this will save people a lot of time and give people ideas on what is possible with the system. So basically this is just Drupal advertisement module, views, and you're just parsing the XML on the iPhone side. And in this case we just fancied it up by streamlining it all for the client and putting it all on one Drupal for Facebook app. So I hope that you enjoy that. My name is Stephen Barker of Digital Frontiers Media, and hope to see you soon.